Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this is extremely clearly a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. Most likely place for wave 3s to go is definitely the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected off the bottom of wave 2, telling me that I am definitely still very bullish. I think it needs to go up to the $2,550 area to finish a wave 3, make a wave 4, and probably make a wave 5. Basically, that tells me that we're probably anywhere from 6 months to a year or more until this uptrend is actually over. Going down to the weekly, wave 1, wave 2, we're most likely in a subdivision of wave 3. Probably a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and probably it needs to go up for a wave 5 of 3, pushing up to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension around the 2550 area. Going down to the daily time frame, man, gold has been so sideways for a while. I still think it is just a wave 4 correction. I still think at some point it is going to continue the uptrend towards that $2,500 area. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down because if we do get an engulfing move down, if we do get a break of structure, you definitely could take it as a sword. I mean, it definitely could go down more to make a more complete, bigger looking ABC of wave 4 on the daily, weekly time frame. But I would be very cautious about that. We're closing above the 78%. I personally think that maybe this is actually going to keep on going up. But like I said, if you see a break of structure, then definitely start looking for shorts. If you don't see a break of structure, then you definitely need to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, this definitely could be an ABC correction, but to me it looks more like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that even if it does go down, it's probably just a correction to the uptrend. Now, if it breaks structure in a big way, you could definitely start looking for shorts, but I wouldn't be surprised if it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows until you get a very significant break of structure to the downside. I would definitely be looking for long entries. I personally think it's going to go up and take out this structure, and maybe within a week or so, probably even go up and take out this structure. I think that this is a wave 4 on the higher time frames, and I think we need to go up for a wave 5. I think this is all a wave 3 on the very high time frames like the weekly and monthly. Most likely, if this does start a trend up, it's a wave 5 of wave 3 on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So definitely looking for longs, at least until I get a break of structure to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.